गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज इस वीडियो में हम लोग एक्सरसाइज 3.1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 एंड 3 को सॉल्व करेंगे। वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने के पहले अगर आप इस चैनल से नए जुड़े हैं तो आप लाइक और सब्सक्राइब अवश्य करें। ओके, तो चलते हैं हम अपनी वीडियो की तरफ। तो पहला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं क्या कहता है। ऑन कंपेयरिंग द रेशियोज A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2, find whether the lines representing the following linear equations intersect at a point, parallel or coincident. ओके, मीन्स जो ग्राफ की लाइंस होगी वो इंटरसेक्ट एट ए पॉइंट होगी या पैरेलल होगी या कोइंसिडेंट होगी, इसी का पता लगाना है। ओके, चलते हैं हम लोग फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ। तो जो हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो है 5x माइनस 4y प्लस 8, 5x माइनस 4y प्लस 8 इक्वल टू 0। और सेकंड इक्वेशन हमारा है 7x प्लस 6y माइनस 9 इक्वल टू 0, 7x प्लस 6y माइनस 9 इक्वल टू 0। अब हम लोग चलते हैं। अब देखो, दिस इज इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। A1 इक्वल टू 5, B1 इक्वल टू माइनस 4, C1 इक्वल टू 8, A2 equal to 7, B2 equal to 6 and C2 equal to minus 9. So therefore find the ratios A1 upon A2 equal to 5 upon minus 4, B1, sorry, this is B1, so B1 upon B2 equal to, sorry, A1 upon A2 7, this will be 7, okay, and B1 minus 4 upon B2 is 6 and C1 by C2, so C1 equal to C1 by C2 equal to 8 upon minus 9, A1 upon A2 5 upon 7, B1 upon B2 minus 4 upon 6 and C1 upon C2 8 upon minus 9. So now it is clear that if you break it you will get 2, 3. So now 5 by 7 does not equal to 2 by 3. Okay, so then implies A1 upon A2, yeah, you can write in this way also, 5 upon 7 does not equal to minus 2 upon 3, then implies A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. This means this is the example of unique solution, means intersect at a point. Okay, so hence the given pair of linear equation the lines of given pair of linear equations intersect at a point, okay. So intersect at a point. Now question number 2. Question number 2, 9x plus 3y plus 12. 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0, and second equation is 18x plus 6y plus 24. 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. So a1 equal to 9, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to 12, a2 equal to 18, b2 equal to 6, c2 equal to 24. So therefore a1 upon a2 equal to 9 upon 18, means 1 upon 2. b1 upon b2 equal to 3 upon 6. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 1 upon 2. c1 upon c2 equal to, c1 is 12 upon 24, 1 2, 1 by 2. So therefore 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2, then implies a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So hence the lines of pair of the linear equations both, all three are equal. So now this is the example of coincident many solution. So the lines of pair of the linear equations are coincident, okay. Understood? So this is about question number 2. Now see question number 3, what tells. So question number 3, 6x minus 3y. 6x minus 3y minus 10 equal to 0. Minus 10 equal to 0, and 2x minus y plus 9. 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. So a equal to 6, b equal to minus 3, c equal to minus 10, b1, c1, a2 equal to 2, b2 equal to minus 1, and c2 equal to 9. So therefore a1 by a2, a1 6 and a2 2. So this is equal to 3 by 1. b1 by b2 equal to, b1 is minus 3 and b2 is minus 1. Minus minus cancel. So 3 upon 1. Okay, so 3 upon 1. And c1 by c2 equal to, c1 is minus 10 upon 9. Any problem? Now 3 upon 1 equal to 3 upon 1 does not equal to minus 10 upon 9. So then implies a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 does not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, hence the lines of pair of linear equations are parallel. The lines of pair of linear equations are parallel. अब देखिए, this is the example of parallel, means no solution. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 does not equal to C1 by C2. That means no solution, means lines are parallel. So now first is the example of unique solution, means intersect at a point. The second is the example of coincident, means many solution, means all three are equal. And third is the example of no solution, means lines are parallel. Did you understand? Okay. So now next question is question number 3. देखिए question number 3. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find the whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Okay, so now I am going to start. First question, 3x plus 2y equal to 5. 3x plus 2y equal to 5 then implies 3x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the standard form. Second equation, 2x minus 3y equal to 7. 2x minus 3y equal to 7. So then implies 2x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Again A1 equal to 3, A2 equal to 2, B1 equal to 2, B2 equal to minus 3, C1 equal to minus 5, C2 equal to minus 7 from the standard form. Okay, this is negative. So therefore A1 by A2 equal to 3 upon 2, B1 by B2 equal to 2 upon minus 3, C1 by C2 equal to minus 5 upon 7. All of you see carefully. Okay. So now A1 by A2 equal to 3 upon 2, B1 by B2 equal to 2 upon minus 3 and C1 by C2 equal to minus 5 upon 7. So now it is clear that 3 by 2 does not equal to 2 by minus 3. So therefore A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. अब यहाँ पर C को कंपेयर करने की जरूरत ही नहीं, because we have already got the solution is unique, but here you have to define as a consistent or inconsistent. Okay, so now this is one solution. So one solution means consistent. Okay, so therefore here you can write unique solution. Hence, the given pair of linear equations are consistent. Okay, consistent. Now second question is 2x minus 3y equal to 8. 2x minus 3y equal to 8. So then implies 2x minus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. And second is 4x minus 6y equal to 9. 4x minus 6y equal to 9. So 4x minus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Okay. So therefore A1 equal to 2, A2 equal to 4, B1 equal to minus 3, B2 equal to minus 6, C1 equal to minus 8 and C2 equal to minus 9. So therefore A1 by A2 equal to 2 upon 4, 1 ja 2 ja equal to 1 upon 2. B1 by B2 equal to minus 3 upon minus 6, cancel 3 1 ja 3 2 ja, this is also 1 by 2, and C1 by C2 equal to minus 8 upon minus 9, cancel, so 8 upon 9. Okay. So now it is clear that so 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 does not equal to 8 by 9. So then implies A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 does not equal to C1 by C2. So now this is the example of no solution. No solution. Okay, so no solution. So hence the given pair of linear equations are inconsistent. Inconsistent. Okay, so this is the example of inconsistent. Did you understand? Okay, because no solution. No solution. Consistent means at least one solution. Understood? So this is the example of consistent. This is the example of inconsistent. Okay, now next question की तरफ चलते हैं. Now question number 3. What tells? 3 by 2x. 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y equal to 7. Equal to 7. So then implies 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y minus 7 equal to 0. And second, 9x minus 10y equal to 15. 9x minus 10y equal to 15. So then implies 9x minus 10y minus 15 equal to 0. 9x minus 10y minus, sorry, this is not 15, this is 14. Okay, 14 equal to 0. Now this is the third question. Okay, so now A1 equal to 3 upon 2, A2 equal to 9, B1 equal to 5 upon 3, B2 equal to B2 equal to minus 10, C1 equal to minus 7, C2 equal to minus 14. So now you can see A1 upon A2 equal to 3 upon 2 and whole upon 9. So this is equal to 3 upon 2 into 9. 3 3 is 9, so 1 upon 6. B1 by B2, B1 by B2 equal to 5 upon 3 and by 9 minus 10. Okay, so minus 10. So this is equal to 5 by minus 10 into 3. 5 2 are 10. So 1 by minus 6. Okay, 1 by minus 6. And C1 upon C2 I am going to write here. C1 upon C2 equal to minus 7 upon minus 14 cancels, so 7 upon 14. Okay, so now you can see according to question 3 upon 2, 5 upon 3, okay, minus 7. Okay, no problem. So 3 upon 2 by 9. Okay, so 2 नीचे आ गया, 3 2 जा 6. नेगेटिव यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन में एक बार फिर वेरीफाई कर लेते हैं, क्वेश्चन में नेगेटिव नहीं है. ओके, सो अब यहाँ पर देखो 1 by 6 does not equal to 1 upon minus 6, so then implies A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. So now this is the example of intersecting lines. So unique solution. Hence the given pair of linear equations. Hence the given pair of linear equations are consistent because unique solution. Due to unique solution it is consistent. Now question number 4. 5x minus 3y equal to 11. Then implies 5x minus 3y minus 11 equal to 0. Okay. Now second equation. 10x plus 6y equal to minus 22. 10x minus 6y. 10x plus 6y. Okay. First is 5x minus 3y equal to 11, and second is 10x plus 6y equal to minus 22. So then implies 10x plus 6y plus 22 equal to 0. So A1 equal to 5, A2 equal to 10. B1 equal to minus 3, B2 equal to 6, C1 equal to minus 11 and C2 equal to 22. So A1 by A2 equal to 5 upon 10, 5 2 ja 10, 1 by 2. B1 upon B2 equal to minus 3 upon 6 equal to 3 2 ja minus 1 upon 2, and C1 by C2 equal to minus 11 by 22, 11 2 ja minus 1 by 2. Okay, so now when you compare it, you will get 1 by 2 does not equal to minus 1 by 2 equal to does not equal to minus 1 by 2. So then implies A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. So this is the example of unique solution. Hence the given pair of linear equations are consistent This is the example of consistent. Okay, and now last question is 5. इसी में 5 को हम लोग कर दे रहे हैं। तो जो 5 क्वेश्चन है 4/3x plus 2y equal to 8. So then implies 4/3x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. And second equation 2x plus 3y equal to 12. So 2x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. So a1 equal to 4/3, a2 equal to 2, b1 equal to 2, b2 equal to 3, c1 equal to -8, c2 equal to -12. So a1 by a2 equal to 4/3/2, 4/3 into 2, 2 2 ja, so 2/3. And b1 by b2 equal to also 2/3, and c1 by c2 equal to -8 by -12. So 4 2 ja, 4 3 ja, so this is 2/3. So I think all are 2/3, 2/3, 2/3, 2/3. So a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So many solution. Okay, many solution. Hence, यहाँ लिख देते हैं, hence the given pair of the equations are consistent. ओके, सो ये हमारा रहा क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का सॉल्यूशन। तो इसी के साथ मैं इस वीडियो को समाप्त करता हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच।